Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows could not complete the installations error on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this issue often pop-ups mid-process, halting the upgrade and leaving your system in limbo, sometimes even stuck on a screen with that exact message. The Windows could not complete the installations error. To install Windows on this computer, restart the installations. And typically occurs in the middle of large Windows update, and the common reasons of this error are damaged system file, insufficient disk space, incompatible drivers, and slow or unstable internet connections. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to disable third-party antivirus. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type Windows Security and then click open. So here at Windows Security, at left side menu, and then you need to select virus and threat protections, and then on right side, and then scroll down under at virus threat protection settings, and then you need to click manage settings. And then here at manage settings, and then you can see here the real-time protections. Alright, so all you have to do is to turn off or disable this real-time protection security. You need to toggle this button if you receive user account control, and then click yes. Okay, so you can see now the real-time protection is off. So you can restart again the upgrade process to fix the error. Alright, so once it's done here at Windows Security, and the other solutions we will do is to repair system files. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and then tap run as administrator if you receive user account control, and then click yes. And once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and the next step, so we need to type and enter this command keyword sfc /scannow. So /scannow, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword sfc scannow, this is the command used in the Windows to run the system file checker sfc tool, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. And verifications 100% complete. And after FC, and then next command keyword that we need to type and enter. So just type this dsm space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. So use this keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C, and then next step, so we need to paste in here, use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+B to paste, and then press enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And finally, the restore operations completed successfully. And then after complete here at cmd, then we need to close, and then here at start menu, and then we need to restart again. Alright, so click restart to fix the error. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Windows could not complete the installations error during upgrade. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.